Want to know how to change the playback speed on TikTok? Whether you want to slow a video down or speed it up, we've got you covered with this quick and simple guide. To get started, open TikTok and find the video you want to adjust the playback speed for. This works with your own videos or anyone else's. Once the video is playing, tap and hold on the video until a pop-up menu appears. At the top of the menu, scroll through the options until you find Playback Speed. Tap on it to open the speed settings. Here, you'll see different speed options. For example, choose 2x to speed up the video playback. Select 0.5x to slow it down. You can always tap on 1x to return it to normal speed. Simply select the speed that suits you, and the video will instantly play at the chosen rate. If you want to change it back, just repeat the steps and select a new speed. That's all there is to it. Now you can customize how you watch TikTok videos with ease. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.